I think you guys can tell that something is completely new. I decided to go dye my hair back to brown. It was actually kind of hard to do considering that my hair was really blonde. So she had to like tone it in to like repigment, and then she added the brown. And it's not too bad. It's like a really pretty like light brown. So it's not as dark as I like was expecting. But yeah, I really like it. It's still really dark. Like, I have not seen myself like this since like 5 years ago. I've been dyeing my hair blonde for a really long time, so I just wanted to look natural again. I'm gonna take engagement pictures in 2 weeks, so that's what this video is about. I'm just doing like a practice. That's Hazel coming in, ghost Hazel. I'm gonna do like a practice makeup and hair for what I want to do for our engagement photos. I'm planning on just doing it by myself, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And then we're also getting married next year, so I just really wanted to like look like myself again. So I just decided to do it now and go from there. My skin has not been doing the best, as you guys can probably tell, so just ignore that. But yeah, we'll work around that. It's done better, but I think from all the stress and stuff, it's been kind of on an uptick with all the acne. Took off any remaining makeup that I had. So for my pictures, I am going for like a fall look because there's going to be fall leaves and fall theme is what I'm going for. And I'm following a YouTube tutorial, which is really funny. So this isn't my own creation. I'm just like sort of copying one / you know, twisting it a little to what looks good on me. But yeah, I'll link her video down below to see where I got my inspiration from. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with eye makeup. When I was with the makeup artist, I did my makeup for Katie's wedding. She actually recommends doing your foundation and concealer last, but I've never done in my life. Just because of like the pigment that can fall off from like the eyeshadow, which makes a lot of sense, and like being able to like clean that up and then put the foundation on the end. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, we'll see how that turns out. I've never done that before. So I just posted about this on my Instagram, but I've been following a dermatologist and they really love CeraVe. That's all they talk about. So I decided to go out and buy some and try it out. So I'm gonna be trying out their products and see how I feel about it. But yeah, I like went all ham with the CeraVe products after being on this dermatology rotation. So this is their moisturizer, so I'm just gonna put it on. The dermatologists really love SPF, and I realized that none of my moisturizers at home have SPF in them, which is not good, especially since I used a different gel. So yeah, I decided to you know, go invest finally. It took me a while, but I finally decided to go get myself a good moisturizer. So I'm gonna prep my eyes with the e.l.f. Primer. I'm gonna use the Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to pick this color over here called Dust, right here, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid. Like so. I wanted to find the perfect copper color, so I'm pulling out one of my really old eyeshadow palettes. So this is probably the color I am trying to go for. I'm grabbing this with a blending brush, and then this has to go in the crease. Like so. I'm going to use my NYX Wicked Dreams palette. So lots of palettes here, because I want this beautiful plum color to go into my outer edge. She was really creative in her videos. I'm going to try this too. She used like this and was like using it as a point. And I'm filling that in the little outer crease. Alright, so here's what it looks like. And I try to blend this a little bit more with the pink on the top. But yeah, she added a little bit more copper on top, so that's what I did too. I went out and bought a lot of new makeup. It was very expensive. But yeah, I bought this new eyeliner from Maybelline, and so we'll try this out. Since you guys know I used to do makeup, I just really don't do it anymore. So, you know, practice makes perfect. So I'm gonna try to practice to make sure I look okay. Alright, wow, this is very sleek. Create eyeliner look with this. Never done this before. So it's really precise, but because of how small the tip is, that took forever. So definitely prolonged the process. But yeah, I added a lot of eyeliner, as you can see. Obviously decurled. So curl it back up. And the mascara I used on my eyelashes earlier today is the Falsies Lash Lift. I used to love the Falsies regular one, so I really wanted to try their new product, and I think it really made my eyelashes. I feel like it's time now to do the foundation and concealer because I wanted to add my fake eyelashes. I have to practice that too. I suck at that, but I heard that they make a huge different picture, so I'm working on that. And I also wanted to add some like lower eyeshadow, and I just don't want to like get complicated with the foundation. So I'm gonna go grab my new foundation. I never wear foundation, you guys know that, but because of what's been going on with the face, I want to be as clear and pretty as possible. So I read online everyone's obsessed with this foundation by Maybelline. It's called Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, and it also has SPF 18 in it, which is really cool. The more sunscreen the better for helping with anti-aging. So I got it in light beige. So hopefully that's my color. I don't know, you know, I don't really use foundation. So we'll see how this looks. Okay, kind of looks like it'll be good. And I just put it on here. I'm gonna dab my brush and then I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna paint it on, cake it on. All right, so right off the bat, I love how this foundation feels. It's so soft and like easy to put on, and like definitely feel like it's giving me a dewy glow, and it's making my skin look really pretty. And I picked a good color. It matches my neck. I don't look like a weird orange person, but yeah, I feel like I really like it. So so far so good for first foundation in a while. I am impressed. To cover up all these little spots. So I got some pimples on my chin, as you guys can see. I have a pimple here, pimple on my lip today that came out. Gotta cover up the dark circles and then the forehead. Just tons of dots everywhere. So I'm gonna slowly blend those in. Face looks so much better. Okay, so now I have all the concealer and the foundation on. Since I never wear it, I forget like how different you look with it on. Like your face looks flawless. But yeah, so now I'm going to add those pretty eyeshadow colors. So first I'm gonna take the plum and I'm going to add it right underneath my lash line. And she went basically all the way like here. Copper and finish the rest like that. Okay, so the easy part is over. Now for the hard part, I'm gonna try to put on fake eyelashes. I never do it. It's gonna be really hard. Okay, so I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't want to struggle. But I'm gonna put my eyelash glue on my eyelashes. I don't want to tell you how long this took, but I got them on. This side's not the best. You can still see the little white, yeah, right there. And then this side's a lot better. So that went a little bit better. Yeah, I'm gonna try to help with some eyeliner. I don't even know why I put eyeliner on. I just ripped it off with my eyelashes because I had to put them on like 5 times. Made a huge difference. I feel like it's blending in way better. But yeah, I can see how eyelashes make a really big difference. I feel like my eyes are popping. Yeah, so now that we're done with that, let's put on some. So I have NYX's Amber brush. Alright, and then I'm going to take NYX's Liquid Illuminator, and I'm going to give myself a little bit of a highlight. Alright, and last but not least, I bought this Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, so I'm going to put this on. It's light to medium in color. Okay, so I'm going to grab some of this powder. Go for it. Alright, first chapstick. Of course, I love Burt's Bees Peppermint. And then I bought this Pink Flare 255 color by Maybelline. You guys can see I like Maybelline. I thought it was really pretty, so let me put this on. So I feel like maybe it's a little too dark, so I'm gonna kiss a little bit off. I feel like that's a little bit better. Okay, So this is the finished look for what I think I'm gonna go for my engagement photos. I was not feeling that lip. I thought it was too dark. So I'm gonna try a different lip. This is Euro Trash by NYX. It looks like it's a more nudie color. I'll put this on. Really feeling this lip more. It's more nudie. It's not as intense. It's not like overpowering. And I'm also gonna add this like CoverGirl lip gloss on top. It's just this color, so I think it'll give it a little shine. Alright, so this is it. I really like the nude lip color better. I think it doesn't take away from the eye makeup. I feel like the red one was way too intense. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun joining me as I played around with makeup. It's been a really long time. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. It took a really long time too, so I'll have to plan for this when I actually do the makeup. And then for the hair, maybe I'll make a separate video, but I'm trying to like curl it and then maybe do like a braid. My fingers are really long. Like some type of a braid like this with like 2 braids coming in, I don't know, and then getting it tied in the back. I really like how my hair looks half up, half down, so something like that. But we will see. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup video. It's been a long time since I've done a makeup video, so it's fun to change it up a little. And thank you guys so much for watching.